Welcome to Expert ACM Supply Chain Terms knowledge sharing session. In this session, we are going to see something called protective inventory. This is something similar to safety stock, but not exactly a safety stock or buffer stock. But we use this term specifically in theory of constraints. Theory of constraints, the amount of inventory required relative to the protective capacity in the system to achieve a specific throughput rate at the constraint. In the theory of constraint, the concept is any system or any process or any activities, there will be something which is controlling the entire flow, and that is known as either a constraint or bottleneck, and we need to do everything possible to see that the constraint is always running and it is occupied and it should not starve for anything in the sense maybe even the operator should be available or it should be maintained properly, and of course finally the relevant inventory should also be available, because if you are going to stop this constraint then entire capacity is also reduced, and this is the reason why you should exploit the critical constraint resources. So we are going to keep some additional inventory which is called as productive inventory. So if there is any problem in the previous process, you can consume the inventory which is kept as a buffer and always use the constraint resources so that the flow becomes uniform and works at an optimum level. Thanks for watching. Bye.